Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you something brand new. It's called cat eyes. The cats, they have eyes. We have 10 colours in this collection. I'm going to show you this one, which is called Galaxy. Do you want me to quickly show you the other ones? Shall I? I'm not going to go through them all by name, but yes, those are the other colours. They are all a bit gorgeous. Now, these can be used on their own as they come out of the bottle, because they are a gorgeous, pearly, shimmery colour. But today, I want to show you something a little bit different. So you see, the coverage is really nice. So they are highly pigmented. I'm going to do one layer of this colour first, and then I'm going to cure it, and then we will do the design. So you could just have that colour like it is, because it is very nice, very shiny. I feel like they self-level really nice. Now what I'm going to do is do another layer. Now, don't be tempted to do thick layers of this. Some people think, oh, I'll just do like a really heavy layer because it's that pigmented. I'll just do one heavy layer and it'll cut the time down. If you do that with gel polish, what you'll find is it will start to peel. We want it to stay on, so we just do a nice, thin, even layer. Right, so what we're going to do now is use the magic tool. Now this tool has magnets on the end. So we have 5 little magnets on the end of this end, and we have 5 ball magnets to create a flower shape. So I'm going to show you what this does. So there are metal particles in this gel polish, and if we hold over a few seconds and then pull off, you get like a flower design. And we can do one here. So you're going to go close, but you don't want to touch. And then we can do one here. Now what I'm going to do is fill this nail with this pattern. So you want to give it around what? How many seconds? 3 to 4 seconds. You'll see it happen, but once you're happy, you can come off. Now if I just left that there and didn't put it in the lamp, what would happen is it would start to settle. So you want to do it as quick as you can. You don't want to just sit there having a coffee and, you know, just chatting away. You want to get the design done and bang it in the lamp straight away, because what happens is the particles do start to settle and it softens the design a little bit. Only a little bit, but it's as soon as you pull that magnet off, so because you're literally going to hover over it like about 3 millimeters over the top, and get it in the lamp as quick as you can. And once you put it in the lamp, that's going to hold your design. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to top coat. I'm going to go slightly thicker with my top coat, and that's only because I'm going to add a few crystals. Now they're quite small crystals, so they don't really need anything chunky to hold them on. And I'm going to get my stones. And I'm going to pop some stones in the center of those flowers. Pressing them into that gel, and what it'll do is it'll create like a little seal between the stone and the gel. Check that you're happy with where everything is positioned. Oh, don't drop it. Then I'm going to pop that into the lamp. I'm so glad that they've got the cat's eyes in. So excited. Because we can do so many different things with them, and it's quick, it's great for salon work, it's quick. That's what you need, salon works. Time is money in a salon. As you move it, it does this crazy stuff. It's like when you're moving it, it looks almost 3D. I think that's pretty cool. So there you go, guys, that's how to use the flower tool with the cat eyes thingamabob gel polish that I absolutely love. I do love the purple as well. Izzy would like the purple. She loves purple. Maybe I need to take this with me when I go to see her on Friday, because I've got to do her nails. So yeah, it might be coming home with me. Everything that I've used today will be listed below, as it always is. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Don't forget. Keep watching. See you next time.